In this video, I am going to show you how to switch the energy balance mode in MacroFactor. First, if you don't have the application, make sure to go and download it. And you can log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't, just go and create an account. Of course, the application is paid, and you can get a 7 days free trial for $1 if you want to. So what is energy balance mode? Basically, it means your calories intake is matched to your total daily energy expenditure. So the goal is no weight change. Just maintain your current body weights and composure. So how to switch to a balance mode or basically maintaining mode? You'll need to change your goal. So you can go to strategy and here you'll be able to set your new goal. So as you can see for me, I'm already on maintenance goal, but for you, if you're not, you can just go and click on new goal again. For me, I'm just going to choose maintain weight here. For you, you can choose whatever you want. Done, done. And here when I click on set a new program, of course you can choose coached or whatever you want, but coached is where you can switch, like example, to the balance mode. So here, as you can see, you will find a balanced. So this is the balance mode. Of course, you can find low fat mode, low carbs mode, keto mode, totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to choose balanced, standard floor. As example, I'm just answering depending on me. For you, you can answer depending on you. So click on next, here moderates as example, and it will create my new program. Now, if I go to the dashboard, here I'll be able to see how much calories I need to eat each day and how much remaining I need to eat this day. Of course, anything that you eat, you can always go to back here to the food log and click on plus depending on the days that you ate or the hour that you ate and add whatever you want. So search if you didn't find it, you can click on quick add and add it or add your custom food. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.